how to replace the digital controller on the Coleman cookout pellet grill. The digital controller is the brain of the system. It receives desired temperature information from the user and gives the information to the various grill parts to achieve set temperature. If your digital controller will not turn on, try replacing the 5-amp fuse and checking your power supply before replacing the entire controller. If you're experiencing error codes, please perform a functional check and restart procedure to determine the cause of the issue. Let's get started. What you will need: an Allen wrench or Allen key and scissors. Unplug your grill and remove all pellets from the hopper assembly. Remove the 4 screws that secure the digital controller to the hopper assembly with an Allen key and save the screws for reinstall. Important: take a photo so that you can reattach zip ties in the same position to protect the wires from mechanical components. Cut the zip ties to free the wires and disconnect the Molex connectors as shown and remove the digital controller from the hopper assembly. Install the new controller. Plug all the Molex connectors back together. Reference the picture you previously took to bundle and zip tie all wiring. Reinstall the 4 sage screws that hold the controller in place with the Allen key. See our full catalog for more troubleshooting and maintenance videos.